Yo, what's up? This PTC channel. So, ngayon it's may na pili at may nagregalo na naman sa akin Hot Wheels. Oh. So, it's January 3, 2026. So, Happy New Year to all, guys. Happy New Year. So, yan. So, by the way, it's papakita ko sa inyo ito maya-maya. At una sa lahat, huwag niyo kakalimutan like and subscribe my videos. 183 subscribe na tayo. Subscribe. So, ano pa? So, simulan natin sa papakita ko. Ayan. So, first, I got this Hot Wheels, the Dark Knight Trilogy DC. Napakaganda guys. So, grabe ito yung The Dark Knight Batmobile. Ayan, Batman logo, Batman 2 out of 5. Ayan, the DC logo and the Dark Knight logo. Napakaganda guys, grabe yan. Solid guys. I got another Batmobile car guys. It's super ganda niya guys. I like it. Ayan, there's a picture of Batmobile. That's the back of the bags. It's packaging. It's made from Mattel, empowering generation through play. Ayan, the Dark Knight faucet, it you read, and logo of DC, the Dark Knight, and Warner Bros. Ayan, napakaganda nito guys, grabe. It's made from Mattel. Sabi ko na pala. Ayan, I love it. I love this car. Also, here's 3 plus. So, next car. Yung last car natin. So, I'm so happy to have this. So, ito ay regalo sa akin ng dad ko. So, I got Hot Wheels Premium. So, thank you sa kanya. At niregalo niya ako nito. Sobrang saya ko at nakakuha rin. Niregalo ako nito. So, thank you so much, Dad, to give me this. Yan. So, I'm so happy to have this. Ganda to guys. Yan, Hot Wheels Premium. Ayan. Ganda guys ng ng car. Yan sa picture ko. Car. Ayan. Ganda na sasakyan na to guys. So, parang pang parang to yung real car in Ayan, Alfa Romeo 155 BGTI and 1969 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. And then that's awesome. That's awesome car. At the back of the packaging, ayan, you can collect these all 2 sets. And then Hot Wheels Premium, ayan, Aston Martin, di magkasama. Kaso guys to, hindi sila magkaparehas ng brand ng car. Pero itong guys yung sa magkapares silang Alfa Romeo, isa Nissan. Napakaganda guys. And Hot Wheels car culture siya. Solid guys. I love this car. I really love it. Nice. Awesome. The wheels are great. And cool. Okay. Ayan. Okay, so there you have it guys. When I got alright guys, so if you like this video guys, leave a comment and like, subscribe. 183 subscribers. See you guys next time. Bye.